It was morning. Jonathan Livingston Seagull was practicing. 100 feet in the sky, he lowered his webbed feet, lifted his beak and strained to hold a painful, hard, twisting curve through his wings. 100 feet in the sky, he lowered his webbed feet, lifted his beak and strained to hold a painful, hard, twisting curve through his wings. The subject was speed, and in a week's practice he learned more about speed than the fastest gull alive. From 1,000 feet, flapping his wings as hard as he could, he pushed over into a blazing steep dive towards the waves and learned why seagulls don't make blazing steep power dives. The subject was speed. In just 6 seconds, he was moving 70 miles per hour, the speed at which one's wings goes unstable on the upstroke. 140 miles per hour and under control. If I dive from 5,000 feet instead of 2,000, I wonder how fast. His vows of a moment before were forgotten, swept away in that great swift wind. Yet he felt guiltless breaking the promises he had made himself. Such promises are only for gulls that accept the ordinary. One who has touched excellence in his learning has no need of that kind of promise.
To those who would tear the world down, we will defeat you. To those who seek peace and security, we support you. And to all those who have wondered if America's beacon still burns as bright, tonight we proved once more that the true strength of our nation comes not from the might of our arms or the scale of our wealth, but from the enduring power of our ideals: democracy, liberty, opportunity, and unyielding hope. And those who tell us that we can't, we will respond with that timeless creed that sums up the spirit of a people. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can.